Hey lovelies! Take a look at what I've got for you today. I decided to challenge myself, and we're going to draw what this project will be about. It'll happen in 2 stages, and here are the rules. First, I'll draw a color that will be the main shade of our piece. Then I'll draw the technique we'll use to make the square. The options are double crochet, DC, 3DC, the classic granny square, openwork, and freeform. Alright, let's start. Drawing the color. And we've got yellow. Now I'm switching the wheel and drawing the technique. And we've got 3 double crochet. Okay, I've picked out my yarns and I'm moving on to designing the square. I chose 2 shades of yellow with some green accents to make it pop. We already have a quarter of the square designed. In a traditional granny square, each space is made of 3 double crochets worked into the same spot. In the corners, we do 3 DC, chain 2, and 3 DC all in the same space. Along the sides of the square, we don't make any chain stitches between the 3 DC clusters. I'm also carrying the unused yarn along the previous row. We're going to make 5 rounds. Well, we have the finished product. Now it's your turn. I'm really curious what you think about this challenge idea and the random draw. Would you like me to turn this into a series? And I'm also thinking about inviting another crochet creator to join one of these challenges. Would you prefer someone with a smaller account or a bigger creator? Let me know what you think. And if you have someone in mind, feel free to tag them below.